Hey, I'm sitting here with my dear friend Bill. We've just swum 1 billion laps and been holding our breath for eternity in the pool.
Hours.
And chatting as well as we do as we go. And Bill was talking about hypervigilance, and tomorrow night I'm running a presentation on how to present breathwork in the corporate workplace. And we were talking about how many people feel like they're on the go all the time, they're busy, and it's more than just hyperactive, it's actually hypervigilance. And I thought that was a really key piece that Bill described, and so I thought, let's get Bill to unpack that a bit more. And anything else you want to add in there, my friend?
Well, I do want to talk about it, and I think it's a kind of like a growing awareness that I have that probably for a long time, for decades really, I've been feeling a disproportionate sense of almost like an inner panic that something's going to go wrong if I don't keep moving and keep moving and keep moving. And it's disproportionate because it's not, it's kind of like my own internal thing.
Not really life-threatening.
It's not life-threatening, and it's, even...
It's an inner game thing.
It's an inner game, and I've become aware of it, and so, I've been taking some steps about that, and I've dragged Nicholas along. Haven't really dragged him along. He's coming freely now.
Out of bed.
Well, and I do some breathing practice in the morning just to slow myself down and really give myself permission to just be steady and be present without having to attend to anything or get caught up in that. And it's a great practice for me every day now.
Yeah, so that's the intermittent hypoxia of doing the rapid breath and then doing the breath holds. So we were doing that. Yep. Builds up to 3.5 minutes. I went 2.5 minutes and was pretty happy with that. But it's in that breath hold that you really slow down and you feel that stillness and silence and kind of bliss, spaciousness, isn't it? And you're saying that it kind of unplugs you from that hypervigilance in that space.
Well, as I've been doing this for about a year now, and it's based on Wim Hof's work as well, and sort of my own variation in the water. But what I've found is that in that moment of the breath hold, I feel more peaceful than I ever do in my life. I can just really feel completely present and no pain in my body, and that sense of hypervigilance sort of just dissipates, and it's a great way to start my day. So just sets me up for the day, that's what I find. And then we do swimming and laps and stuff like that as well.
And the laps help too.
Yeah, very much so. Water's just such a great medium,
earthing,
I think.
grounding,
yeah.
And doing exercise is great for burning up anxiety and stress as well. So tomorrow night, Thursday, 7 p.m. online, come and join us, and I'll show you how you can bring breathwork to your workplace or other people's workplaces, how to help to make the world more heart-centered at work. And I'll be sharing a whole range of 9 different breathing practices that you can implement in different parts of the workplace to improve the quality of life for everybody, really. And to get into flow state, to de-stress, to recenter, to focus. All these things are possible by conscious breathing, and so I'll be sharing that. And I'll also be giving everybody who turns up a free presentation that you can present in the workplace, already done for you, plug and play. So that'll be a great bonus to come along. It's free, and I'd love to see you there, and I'll put the link in the comments below. Thank you for jumping online with us.
Great pleasure, dear friend.
We'll see you at the pool again soon.
Okay.
Bill's also in our men's group, so dear friends from a long time. And hey, Maddie, I can see you there. I don't have my specs on, so it's a bit of a strain, but nice. Good to have you there, and I know you're coming along tomorrow night as well. So lots of love. Have a great day, everybody. And I'm off for a great day, and I'm sure Bill is too.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Lots of love. Ciao.